Today I want to share with you a quick and easy way to prep your smoothies. I just recently found out about this method and love it. You will need regular mouth mason jars, a blender, and your favorite fruit to prep your smoothies. You want to cut up the fruit and place them into the jars. Once you're done preparing your smoothies, you want to place the mason jars into the freezer. And when you're ready to make a smoothie, you can take one of the mason jars out of the freezer. You want to remove the blade from the top of your blender. You want to take whatever liquid you like to put into your smoothies and place it into the mason jars. And then you want to take your blade and place it onto the mason jar. And then take the mason jar itself and place it onto the blender and blend your smoothie together. Then once it's done, you want to remove the blade and your smoothie is done. You don't have to clean the blender, nor do you have to dirty up another cup. You just eat it right out of the mason jar. Here I'm placing some more bananas into the mason jar. And then I'm going to also place some blueberries. And then some chia seeds. And there you go. You have your smoothie. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.